Right. So this Boolean algebra. So we'll be dealing with simplifying the Boolean expressions. The expressions that we find in, using logic gates. So ఇక్కడ మనకి రెండు రకాలు ఉంటాయి. There are two types. One using AND operation, another using OR operation. So identity. First one is identity. So identity means you should get the same output as input. So whatever you do. So AND operation లో ఏం చేస్తే మళ్ళీ సేమ్ నెంబర్ బయటకు వస్తుంది అంటే if you multiply with 1 you get the same output. If a is 0 you will get 0, if a is 1 you will get 1. Okay, for OR operation if you add 0 you get the same output. Okay, if a is 0 you get 0, if a is 1 you get 1. If you add 0. So for addition operation, identity operation is adding 0, and for multiplication, multiplying with 1 is the identity operation. Okay, so next one is null operation. So you should get whatever 0 or that standard output. So when you multiply with 0, you get 0, and when you add 1, whatever may be the given number, you get 1 as output. So ఏ నెంబర్కి అయినా సరే 1 యాడ్ చేస్తే మళ్ళీ 1 వచ్చేస్తుంది. అది 0 అయినా సరే 1 అయినా సరే. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఏంటంటే థర్డ్ ఆపరేషన్ ఐడెంపోటెంట్ అంటే ఏంటో. వాట్ ఈస్ దట్? ఏంటి? ఏ is a, a plus a is a. So you are repeating the same operation to get the same result. So if you add same number to same number, you get same number as output. So a plus a is a into a is also a. Next one, inverse. What is that?
A bar equals 0.
Into a bar is 0.
A plus a bar equal to 1.
A plus a bar is 1. So whatever may be the value of a, if a is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1. If a is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, so that is the inverse operation. Next one, commutation. ఇదేంటంటే
AB equal to BA.
AB is equal to BA. A plus B is equal to B plus A. Clear? Next one,
Associative link.
సో ఇదొకటి కొంచెం డిరైవ్ చేయాల్సి రావచ్చు. ఏంటంటే అది
AB into C
ఓకే, AB into C
equals A
into BC. So maybe the next one, A into BC. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Next one,
distributive.
distributives. ఇదేంటంటే
A plus BC equal to A plus B into A plus C.
A plus B into A plus C. So if you expand this, you should get this A plus B into A plus C. And if you replace all the multiplications with additions and additions with multiplication, you should get the other one. So that loss nadi A into
B plus C
B plus C is equal to
AB plus C.
AB plus C. So A plus BC becomes A into B plus C. ఇక్కడ A plus B becomes AB, this multiplication becomes plus, other one is AC. Okay, so we may have to derive this, we will see that. Next one,
Absorption.
absorption. This is important. What What is that?
A into A plus B
A into A plus B.
equal to A.
Right. So if something repeats, it will absorb the other one. A into A plus B is equal to A. So ఇదే మనము ఎడిషన్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ రీప్లేస్ చేస్తే ఏమొస్తుంది? A plus AB is equal to A. A plus AB is equal to A. ఇది ఒకటి ఇంపార్టెంట్ అవుతుంది. The last one?
B Morgan.
D Morgan laws.
AB bar
AB bar is equal to A bar plus B bar. A plus B whole bar is equal to A bar dot B bar. Okay. So ఇదేంటండి ఇది? ఒకసారి చూడండి. A plus AB is equal to A. Is equal to what? So you can take A as common. A into 1 plus B. And if you add something, if you add 1 to any Boolean variable, what do you get? 1 plus something is 1. That is A into 1, which is A. So 1 plus B is 1. The same thing, A into A plus B is what? A into A plus AB. What do you get? So this becomes A plus AB then got the same result. Okay, so you should get A. ఓకే, సో దీనికి సంబంధించి మనం చూసిన ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏంటి? వాట్ వాజ్ దట్? లాస్ట్ వన్, 3 వేరియబుల్స్.
A plus B bar
ఏంటిదండి అది?
A plus B bar plus C bar.
మల్టిప్లికేషన్. ఓకే, సరే చెప్పండి.
A plus B bar plus C bar
ఇంటూ A ప్లస్ B బార్ ప్లస్ C, A ప్లస్ B ప్లస్ C బార్.
C bar.
ఈ ప్రోడక్ట్ ఏమవుతుంది అన్నారు? సో వెన్ యూ మల్టిప్లై 3 by 3 by 3 you should get 27 terms. సో ఈ 27 టర్మ్స్లో ఎన్ని మిగులుతాయి అనేది చూడాలి. So if you go straight forward, what do you get? A plus B bar plus C bar. What else? A into A plus A into B plus A into C bar. Next one with B bar plus B bar A plus B bar B plus B bar C bar. Plus C into A plus C into B plus C into C bar. So what simplifications can be done? This becomes A. B into B bar 0, C into C bar is 0. out this. We take A common, C plus C bar. C plus C bar is 1. So we will be left with A. And this one. A, B, B bar, A. We will be left with A. That's all. These are different. CB, D bar, C bar. So A is repeating thrice. A plus A plus A is again A. So ultimate outcome A plus B bar plus C bar multiplied by A plus BC plus B bar C bar.